Okay? Look at that. The sandwich. Guys, gonna look like this. Oh yeah.
It looks nice, to be honest.
Absolutely amazing.
Guys, this is crazy. He's not warm up a sandwich.
Okay, because it's ready. Oh.
That's a little fire.
Wow, look at that. Look guys, it's absolutely fantastic.
Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with an Italian.
With an Italian, okay.
Today we're gonna cook lemon soup.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with an Italian.
Yeah, nice to
see you again.
And thank you for
with
watching
me this
Cooking
time.
with an
So
Italian.
it's special.
Yeah, today gonna help me Master Chef Enrico. Okay, guys, today we're going to make something very easy.
Nice.
I'm going to make a sandwich like with Parma ham, Brie, and fig. Just easy.
A weird sandwich because it has fig in it.
I'm gonna show you the ingredient that we have. We need 2 nice slices of bread, or if you have any roll, ciabatta bread, any bread you like. We have the fig I'm gonna use.
Why does the cheese look so weird?
That is Brie, it's very nice. It's proper like that. And we're gonna use some Parma ham, some prosciutto crudo, okay? Start.
And a very, very big knife.
We take the cheese, the Brie, you know.
It looks like moldy cheese.
Yeah, we put here.
I'm just telling you, Brie looks like moldy cheese.
Yeah,
Looks weird.
yeah. Well, be generous because this is very good cheese.
It looks like butter for some reason.
Now we gonna put some ham.
Oh, how did I guess that?
Yeah.
You can put how many you want.
Yeah. Be generous, you know.
I think you can have 2 figs instead of 1.
It's possible.
Fig is quite small.
Okay. And look at that. What you think, Enrico?
Stuff that I don't really like, and the cheese looks like butter.
It's not. Now
we basically just need to do the fig.
Yes, Enrico. Well done.
I think this is gonna be 3 or 4 minutes actually.
Yeah. Now we need the fig. Just chop it off. Eh?
It looks like an alien egg.
Alien egg.
Yes.
And okay.
Guys,
Enrico wants to show
how
you
weird it looks. It looks like alien eggs.
alien eggs, but it's delicious. You never tried the fig?
No.
Yeah, just so I wonder. This I can eat. You want to try?
No.
Mm.
He just ate fig.
I love it.
He ate alien eggs, guys. It's so weird. He's eating alien eggs. Stop eating it. Actually make the sandwich.
The sandwich. Guys, gonna look like this. Oh yeah.
It looks nice, to be honest.
Absolutely amazing. Now we're gonna put this in the. We're gonna warm up a little bit. I'm gonna show you now.
Guys, this is crazy. He's not warm up a sandwich.
I want to clean this mess.
Never do this. This is totally alien.
And I'm gonna show you
the planet.
the rest, okay? Okay, guys. My pan is on gas. A little touch of oil. Take our sandwich and we put down like this. Press a little bit. Oh,
Guys, I need to tell you something. We had an extra butter, you know the cheese butter. Now we're putting real butter in it. Just weird. Weird recipe.
but it's very good. You want?
You can put like
Add a couple
of butter.
pieces of butter that press a little bit. Oh, this sandwich, guys, is
absolutely weird. weird.
No, absolutely nice. Look. Very, very nice. Enrico, what you doing?
Taking a biscuit.
Now, from where?
From our biscuit box.
Ok. Stai attento, careful. Okay, fantastic. A little bit more. Now we turn from the other side. Guys, this is a masterpiece. Add a little
Maybe.
butter again.
Wow. Look at that.
Fantastic.
He's taking a plate.
Ready? Because it's ready.
Ooh. That's our fire alarm. That was just our fire alarm.
Turn it off. Our sandwich is ready.
Sorry, that was our fire alarm. It's very sensitive.
Yeah, sorry guys. And oh
Wow.
yeah. Job is done, guys. Yeah.
Very nice.
Fantastic. Yeah. Oh, cheese smell nice. The smell, guys, is absolutely wow. Wow, oh yeah. Look, guys, it's absolutely
Weird.
fantastic. Oh yeah.
Very questionable thing. A very questionable
Beautiful.
thing.
Fantastic. I'm very happy for this.
Not.
Now I wait 2 seconds. Not 2
2
seconds. I like a couple
seconds,
minutes for try because it's hot, and we're gonna try it together and we see how it is. Okay? See you soon.